Hangar steak, fast, quick, best of all, delicious. If you want to see that with this delicious kimchi slaw, it's coming up right now. Hi, Jason Goodall, GQue Barbecue. Special treat for everyone today. My good friend Jason Glover over at Dad's That Cook flew all the way in from California.
Whoa! Whoa, look out, right?
Thanks for coming out, Jason. Really appreciate it. We had so much fun shooting that pork belly burnt-in video that we thought we had to do this again. Jason, what are we going to make today?
We're making Hangar Steak,
Ooh.
And we're going to do a Kimchi Slaw.
Awesome. So let's hang out for a couple minutes and see how Jason makes that steak.
All right, I'm Jason with Dad's That Cook, and thank you, Jason, here at GQue Barbecue, letting me come on your channel. So I'm going to show you how to make this Hangar Steak. It's crazy good, super simple, super fast. You're going to get this out and in people's bellies quick. So we got to start with a marinade, all right? So I've got some ingredients here. We got some ginger, we got some shallots, and we got some garlic, all right? But let's get started with this shallot here. Real simple. You're going to grab your Dad's That Cook knife, because that's what you need, right? You're going to grab that. We're just going to slice in here. Boom. Simple, easy. This is your way to go. We're going to cut these down. Look at that fine little dice. Easy peasy, just like that. Boom. And then we're just going to go like this, back and forth, rock it back and forth. The cool thing I like about this knife is right here, these little finger grooves. Get the finger grooves, and you just rock it back and forth. Okay? Throw that into our little happy bowl with the rest of them. Let's grab our garlic. Let's do the same thing, right? You're just going to chop, 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 chop. Chop, chop, chop. And you're just going to go back and forth until you got it to the point where you like it. It's going to rock it, rock it, rock it. Okay? Again, you can be as perfect as you want, but this is going to be a marinade, so all this stuff's going to fall off the meat anyway. Don't worry about it. Okay? That's fine. We're going to get that in the bowl there too. Okay? Throw that over there. Happy guy. Now we got to work on some of this ginger. You can grate it. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going to chop it because, again, it's a marinade, right? And we're just going to go again. We're going to do like kind of a country chop with this. Make sure you don't cut your fingers off. Keep those neat hands behind you. Those fingers, you want those fingers for later. All the rest of the juices, all the oils, the sesame oil, the soy sauce, it's all going to mix in anyway. So we're going to grab a few of those and we're going to run through that. So just hanging out, we're chopping ginger. It's making it simple, it's easy, it's so easy, especially when you got yourself a sharp knife. Everyone needs a sharp knife. dadsthatcook.com. Go check it out. So let's get this guy going. We're going to throw all the ginger in there. Boom. We're going to throw our garlic in there, shallots in there. Now we're going to grab a little bit of our sugar. We got some sugar. That goes in there. Toasted sesame oil. That's going in there. Got a little canola oil. That's going to go in there too. And some soy sauce. Then we're going to throw a little pinch of some black pepper. Okay? We're going to mix that up. Nice and simple. Easy peasy. Even though it's got soy sauce, we'll add a little salt into it too. It's okay. We got our marinade. It's done. It's simple. Now, what we want to do is we want to take our meat. Look at this happy Hangar Steak. Look at that. We've got a bunch of it here. We're going to throw it in. We want to let it marinate for about 15 minutes. So it's getting real simple. And I'm going to get in and get my hands dirty too. I'm already getting them dirty. Look at how dirty these hands are. Might as well just stuff it all in there, right? Okay, we're going to mix it. Okay, get your hands, get them dirty. We're going to grab all that marinade and we're going to mix it all together. Look at that goodness. That looks well mixed. And we're going to let that sit off to the side for about 15 minutes while we work on our kimchi slaw. All right, so let's make some kimchi slaw, people. This is so good, it's so easy. Everyone's gonna love it. So let me show you how this works, okay? We've got some apple cider vinegar right here, all right? We're gonna throw it into a little bowl. We got some sugar, that goes into the little bowl. And we got some mayonnaise, all right? We're gonna throw all that mayonnaise in there, all right? We're gonna mix that up first. You wanna kinda get all your wet stuff kinda mixed. And just keep your little fork, because a little fork works great. All right, so now you got your sauce. That's kind of like your sauce for the kimchi slaw. Okay, we're gonna set that aside now. Now it's time to get over here and get our apple going. Let me show you how we do this apple. We got some julienne apples, all right? Very simple, very easy. Again, we're gonna grab a knife. Now I've got this knife here. I like this one because it's more of a boning knife, but I can also use it as a paring knife. We're gonna just kind of run it around. It's super sharp. Cut this little guy out of the top. Boop, popped him out. We're gonna grab our other knife now. We're gonna get this big bad boy. And so instead of coring it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down and you're gonna slice it. So there's a slice, right? It's got a nice little medium kind of piece. You want it like that. So we're gonna try to keep it consistent to that, okay? So we're gonna go like that, and we're gonna do that here again, and we'll do it here again. We'll go about 3 times, and we'll rotate, and we'll do the same thing over here. And we're just gonna rotate around this apple so you can julienne these, all right? Keep them all consistent, the same kind of slice. And then your core is right here. You don't need to worry about that. And you kind of stack this little guy up. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'll show you in a second here. And we bring this guy over, and then here's your julienne. Good old julienne. Little matchsticks, otherwise known as matchsticks. And then boom, see? You got all these little matchsticks, these little julienne matchsticks. Simple, easy, boom, bang, bingo. And one little bite for me. Now, you got some cucumber. Same thing, we want to julienne this one as well. I'm going to grab this guy, because why? He's easy. Easy peasy. We're going to use him to, you can use a peeler, but I don't have one with me. I got my knife. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. We want to julienne this one, right? So I'm going to cut a piece like that. I cut one like that. And I'm going to cut a 4th one like that, okay? And we're just going to rotate those guys over. And we're going to go boom, 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 boom. There you go. You got your little julienne little guys, okay? You can do them smaller, you can do them thinner, you can cut them up, you can do whatever you want. And there you have it. You've got your cucumber. That's going to go in the bowl. Let's grab our kimchi. This is kimchi. We bought it. It's a cabbage kimchi. So we're just chop that up, and we're going to throw that in the bowl too. Let's grab our sauce that we made just a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago. Throw that on top of there like that. And we're going to mix this up with our spoon. Now we need a spoon, see? Want to be kind of gentle with it. You don't want to go crazy. But look at that. This is going to be so good. And you're going to serve this on the side with that delicious hanger steak that we got cooking. Okay? So, now I got a little pinch of this salt. We're going to get some kosher salt. We're going to throw a little bit on there, and we're going to mix that in with it, okay? Just to give it a little bit more of a bite. All right. Look at that. Perfect. Done. Let's give it a bite, to see if it needs anything extra. Oh, that's delicious. The apple, the sweetness, the cucumber gives you a crunch. The slaw with the kimchi gives you a bite. It really has some amazing flavors. You're gonna love it, super easy. All right, so now we got our hanger steak. It's been marinating for over 15 minutes. Again, that's simple, it's easy. It's an easy little marinade. You want to get a party going, you want something happening within about a half an hour to an hour, this is what's going to happen right here. Okay, so we got the grill, we got this PK grill, we got some coals going, nice and hot. You want it hot. Okay, and we're just going to slap these bad boys right on there. Look at that. It's going to flame right up. Oh yeah, look at that ginger, look at that garlic. Oh, that's going to be in my mouth. That's goodness right there. That's a party. Look at that. You have to keep an eye on these guys. It's getting a little exciting, isn't it? We're going to let those flames go for a couple minutes. Then we'll move them around. You want that smoked cologne with your hanger steak, people. That's what you're looking for. That smoked cologne that drives the girls wild. All right, so now we got to get a little bit of garnish. We're going to put a little bit of sesame, some toasted sesames. We're going to throw those on there. Look at that magic, people. Now let's grab some of these green onion. You just make a little slices on those. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Garnish that stuff up. Make people excited. Jump into that food. And there you have it.
Jason, I've been watching you cook this hanger steak for the last 15 minutes. I can't take it any longer. It looks so good. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. All right, I like a nice medium rare piece. Get some more of that, all that delicious juice that comes out, that soy sauce, that ginger. Get a little bit of crunch here with the kimchi, cucumber, and apple.
Mmm.
Jason, can you come back this weekend and make the exact same thing?
I just moved in, buddy.
Check out Jason over at his channel, Dads That Cook.
Just make sure you go check out Dads That Cook. Thank you, Jason Ganal at GQue Barbecue. And hey, don't forget, it's Bingo Bango time.
More Bingo Bango, go check him out. Jason Ganal, GQue Barbecue, and I'll see you on the next one. Everything tastes better when you wash it down with some bourbon.